In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new terminal in Visual Studio Code. This is a really simple but powerful feature that can make your workflow much smoother, especially if you're running multiple commands or working with different tools at the same time. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open and that you're inside a workspace or a folder. While you can technically open a terminal without a folder, it's usually best to be inside the project you're working on so that your terminal starts in the correct directory. To begin, look toward the bottom of the Visual Studio Code window for the panel area. This is the section that can show things like problems, output, debug console, and the terminal. If you don't see anything there, you'll want to toggle the panel so it becomes visible. You can do this by clicking on the small panel icon or the toggle button that shows or hides that bottom area. Once you click it, the panel should slide up into view. Inside this panel, click on the Terminal tab if it's not already selected. This tells Visual Studio Code that you want to work with the integrated terminal rather than the other tools. You should now see a terminal area, or at least an empty space where the terminal will appear. To add a new terminal, look for the plus sign inside the terminal area, usually near the top right of that terminal panel. This plus sign is the New Terminal button. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, Visual Studio Code will create a fresh terminal session for you. You'll see a new terminal instance appear, typically with the name of your default shell, such as PowerShell, Command Prompt, or a Unix shell, depending on your system. The prompt should be ready for you to type commands. Each time you click that plus sign, a new terminal tab is added, letting you have multiple terminals open at once. If you like to stay organized, you can switch between terminals using the tabs along the top of the terminal panel and close any you no longer need by clicking the small close icon on each tab. And that's all there is to it. By toggling the panel to show the terminal, then clicking the plus sign inside the terminal area, you can quickly add and manage new terminals in Visual Studio Code.